Hi everyone, this is John from GB Solar. One more time this year we are at the Melbourne Exhibition Centre. A lot of things have changed since the last year exhibition. A lot of innovations happened in 1 year time. And pretty much we're about to go in, check everything out, talk to distributors, suppliers, and just go all full on that new product. Let's go check it out. Jay, nice to see you again. Tell us, Jay, what's new about your product this year compared to the previous one we had?
Yeah, so this is three-phase home battery system. It's an upgrade from the single phase that currently have.
Yep.
It's also the IP66 certified and has the fire rebuilding into each battery module for the maximum safety.
So this is the three-phase version, yeah?
Yeah.
So far we've been using MH6, which is a single phase.
Yep.
6 kW inverter, okay? What's the PV system? What's the maximum PV we can put in this one?
Maximum 30 kilowatts PV.
30 kilowatts PV.
Yeah.
And the battery itself, how many kilowatts?
10 kilowatts. 10 kilowatts each pack. You're starting from 20 kilowatts hour. That is a minimum. 20
kilowatts. Can we parallel?
You can parallel, so you can have one stack with inverter sitting on top and the separate battery only stacks.
So all up, what's the maximum including parallels? What's the biggest we can
with a single inverter, you can go up to 90 kilowatts hour.
90 kilowatt hours. That's a very, very decent unit.
Yep.
Very impressive, very impressive. Jay, tell me something. What makes Easy Sun Home special compared to other brands? Why so people like it, they want it? Like it seems to be the get-go today in the market. Why is that?
Yeah, so people love our design and they love our service. So we're here to support Australian. We're not just only selling, we're providing a solution.
Right, very happy to hear that, Jay. Like, I really like this brand myself. I've sold a lot of them. It's really a brilliant design. Jay, thank you very much for the information. Thank you, buddy.
Thank you.
Hey guys, still at All Energy. Today we're interviewing Graham. Graham from Sungrow. He's the actual voice of Sungrow. Every time you call, you need support. He's the one that's always on the phone telling you press 1 and press 2.
It's a recording, but yeah.
Nice meeting you.
Good to meet you.
Graham, please tell us what's new about Sungrow this year.
Okay, the best we have to offer this year, now apart from all the other normal stuff, is we are introducing a new gateway. Now, unlike some other gateways that are like about this size, that's it. It comes in single phase and three phase. So what is a gateway? Now, normally when you install a hybrid inverter, you have to run an AC cable to the inverter and then a backup cable back from the inverter to your backup loads. This saves you that extra cabling, which is going to save you a lot of time and money. You only need to run the AC cable. It'll decouple from the grid here rather than the inverter. It's got an inbuilt motor, so when the grid goes off, it'll switch over onto backup and you've got your backup load supplied. When the grid comes back on, it goes back onto grid. It's as simple as that. And it's a very easy thing to install. You just hang it on your DIN rail in the existing switchboard. So it's as simple as that. And it's going to save installers a lot of time, especially if there's a long cable run. And because of the volt drop, you have to put a 16mm cable. It's going to save a lot of money.
I'm actually looking forward to do one of those myself. I've got a few coming. You gave me some ideas. I'm thinking, I just want to use that. I want to see how it does.
Yeah.
Excellent, excellent. Look, I really love Sungrow. I've sold a lot of them. It's been in the market for years. It's very reliable. I've only had good reviews to say about Sungrow.
Yeah.
So they've been good. Yeah, everybody knows Sungrow. There's no one that doesn't know Sungrow at this stage.
Yeah, that's
beautiful.
Good. Yeah.
Right, thank you very much for the time. Really appreciate it. Looking forward to do that.
Thanks for your interest. Yep. I'll get the training videos out real soon on this.
Thank you very much. Appreciate it. Thank you. Hi guys, we're here today with Mike. Mike represents Goodwe. Goodwe has been one of the most sold inverters in the market. I know for a fact because I've sold a lot of them myself.
Yeah.
All right, nice meeting you. Please tell us a few things about your new product. Looks brilliant, it's very shiny.
Yeah, that brand new product we bring into Australia right now. So it's basically the all-in-one solution, as you can see. It comes with an inverter, and there's a battery which is 5 kilowatt hours or 8 kilowatt hours. And amazing thing is you can mix them together, and maximally you can have 6 batteries on top of each other, which give you 48 kilowatt hours maximum battery capacity. And this inverter is single phase, which is 5, 6, 8, and 10. For 8 kilowatt and 10 kilowatt, it comes with 4 MPP trackers. And the 5 and 6 is 3 MPP trackers. And this one comes with a battery DC breaker as well on the left side. And there's no internal cable wirings between batteries. For installer, you just need to basically install on top of each other. So maximally 5 to 10 minutes installation job. And this one comes with an inbuilt backup as well. It's full house backup. Support 63 amps backup, and we're offering the changeover switch, so you can put into the switch board. So when this, whatever the inverter is for, you can manually change it to the on grid. Just save some trip for installer. And also it comes with the Wi-Fi and the Bluetooth for monitoring. Yep. And I think that's pretty much all.
Mike, you've been very thorough. You know your product inside out. Yeah, I've been listening to you. You just know everything.
No problem.
Thanks a lot. Really appreciate it.
No,
Hi guys, we are with Ethan today at All Energy in 2025. Ethan represents Alpha ESS. It's one of the oldest battery production in the market. So, Ethan, please tell us a few things about your new battery.
Yeah. Hello everyone. My name is Ethan, and I'm the product manager in Alpha ESS. So the battery system behind us is our new model. It's called Small M5-S. And so basically the inverter is 5 kilowatt, and we also got the 5 kilowatt hours battery. So you can connect a maximum of 6 batteries in total. Then there's no cable connection between the batteries and no cable connection between the inverter and the battery. So basically you can finish the mounting and installation within 15 minutes. We also have a new app designed for the installer. So with the new app, you can do a self-testing and fast commissioning. So basically the total installation time will be within like 1 hour. So it's quite friendly to the installer. Regarding to the system itself, it's also VPP compatible. So we have done the integration with most of the VPP provider. So the customer can choose a range from Amber or HCL or Origin or other VPP providers. This whole system provides like 10 years product warranty and 10 years battery performance warranty. Yeah.
20 years warranty, sir.
And then it's like 10 years product warranty, and there's another warranty called battery performance warranty. Okay. Yeah.
Excellent. That's good.
Yep.
That's very interesting.
Yep.
All right, how many kilowatts of PV you said we can put on this battery?
So you're able to put 10 kilowatt solar panels connect to the 5 kilowatt inverter.
50% above. That's good. Very interesting. Yep. Beautiful. All right, thank you very much for your attention, mate. Thank you. I've used this one multiple times myself. I know it's a good product. Thank you.
Thank you.
Thank you. Hi guys, we're here at All Energy again with Leo from Fox. Leo will be doing a small presentation of his product this time. I've installed a few myself. I'm pretty happy. They're very reasonable in time to install. Yeah, they're good units. Leo, please give us some presentation of your unit.
Of course, yeah. So for Fox, currently we're offering that like the inverter and battery separate setup. So the inverter wise, we have the full range of the single phase inverter and also this is a 3-phase inverter too. The single phase inverter, we have the H1G2 series, which come with mainly the 5 kilowatt single phase. The other single phase we're offering is the KH series, which come with mainly the 8 kilowatt and 10 kilowatt.
Which I installed myself a few of them.
You installed that, right?
Yeah,
so with 3 MPPT or 4 MPPT separately, right?
Correct.
Yeah. Also, the 3-phase range currently we offer for residential is 5 kilowatt to 15 kilowatt range, or with the 3 MPPT. Good for you to install in different roofs, roof orientations. Yeah. For battery wise, this is the battery we're offering at the moment. If I stand up here, you see how low is it? Right. So
how high compared to me?
it's only about like a 1.35 meter high. Yeah, so it's more flexible. It's very flexible for the roof. Sorry, not for the roof. It's for the wall space.
Yeah.
So horizontally, you only have that much, and height is at 1.35 meter. Easy for your home too. Any home that has that much space, very good for you. And that much space, only that much space, give you 42 kilowatt hour.
Excellent. Look, I was going to ask you one question. Now, I know this one is 42 kilowatt. Can we put parallel to increase the capacity?
For us, we try to simplify everything. So one
It's
inverter,
very straightforward to install.
yeah, one inverter with one stack.
Okay.
Yeah.
Now, are you expecting in the future to have more than 42 kilowatt capacity?
Of course. And the next product we're gonna have, which is this CQ6, and which the battery is gonna come with like a 6 kilowatt hour battery capacity each. But of course, for single phase, it still stay with 42 kilowatt hour. With three phase inverter, HJ Smart, you're gonna have more than 42 kilowatt hour delivery.
Yeah, no, look, 42 kilowatts is a good unit. Like every single house has been happy with this, so I'm all happy. I'm just asking out of my own curiosity. Leo, thank you very much for your presentation.
No
buddy.
problem.
Appreciate it.
Thank you, my
I'll be
friend.
keeping in touch for the support and stuff I need during the installation time.
Thank you.
Thank you, buddy.
Bye.
Hi guys, we're still at All Energy with Nasima from West Energy. Nasima,
Hi.
please do us a presentation of your product. I've seen there's a bit of an upgrade this year compared to the previous year we had. Like, you've done a beautiful design here. It's nice and stackable. Thank you, Lord inverters, three phase. You got it all. So please tell us something.
Yes. This is Nasima from eCactus. We formerly with eCactus all-in-one battery. Now we do rebranding with West. West is a tier 1 brand, and we do commercial battery also. We have already deployed our CN9 home battery solution over 50 countries. So we have quite experience, and we are glad to share that with the cheap home battery program. We are excited to share that our new solution has been CC approved. And this one, you can see this is the design upgrade, the new technology. We have the single phase one and the three phase one, but we're still keen to like providing the all-in-one, stackable all-in-one, because for the quite convenient installation. And this is our new single phase one. So on the top, this is the inverter. For inverter power, we have 5 kilowatt to 10 kilowatt option for single. And with this one, the one BMS, we can maximum have a 20 kilowatt hour with one stack. And I know that everyone will ask like 40 kilowatt hour solutions, 60 kilowatt hour solution. Our BMS can be parallel, so it can be 2 stacks parallel to 40 kilowatt hour. That's for the new single phase one. And also, for new three phase one and the same design, just the inverter different. You know, under the BMS is all same battery. And also the BMS same. For three phase, it can be one BMS stacked for 6-pack, which means 30 kilowatt hour. And also the BMS can be parallel, and also maximum can be 5 BMS parallel, which means for three phase one can be 150 kilowatt hour, and for three phase can be 100 kilowatt hour.
What's the PV we can put in the 10 kilowatt three phase inverter? What's the maximum PV?
2 times.
Times, 100% increase, yeah?
Yes,
200%.
200%. Yeah.
And that's very impressive. Wow.
Yeah.
How many PPTs?
For the three phase one, we have 2 MPPT 3 strings, and for the new single phase one, for 5 or 6 kilowatts, we have 2 MPPT per MPPT per string. But for the 8 and 10, we have 2 MPPT 4 strings. Yeah.
Interesting. I still remember, like, how many years back was it when I installed the first e-cactus in Victoria? Remember that?
Yeah.
I called support all the time. I was trying to figure out all those wires.
Yeah.
We worked well in the end. I was pretty happy.
Now we upgrade, and actually now we also have the local teams, local technical support.
Excellent.
Yes, and what we want, like, okay, with the new solution, we will let our technical support beside and help our electrician, installer, customer. They just install it easily and the configuration easily. Yeah.
Now I can tell it's like more compact than the previous generation. Thank you, Lord. It's very impressive. 200% increase on the PV. That's a marvel.
Yes. And
Nasima,
also
thank
for
you very much. Thank
this
you very
one
much.
is also
Nice
for the
seeing you
AC coupling, you know.
AC coupling as well.
Yeah.
Thank you very much. Thank you.
Thank
Very impressive.
Thank you.
Ready? Hi guys, we're here with Shane from Fronius. Shane will be doing a presentation for us for a new product. We can also see here, Fronius got a new battery in the market and a few chargers there as well. So we're going to ask Shane to do a presentation. Shane,
Thanks,
please
John.
take your time.
Thanks for coming and spending some time with us. So I'm going to do a bit of a sweep through what's going on here. There's some new and old. I'm going to start with this little gem here. This is our IP meter, John. And this, as long as it's connected onto the home or site network, Wi-Fi or network connection, and your CT clamps, we are online in the network measuring. And that can then be used by our new Watt Pilot Flex coming to the market early next year. And this can then measure loads, use excess solar, load protect so you don't go over your loads. There might be a few little Easter eggs in there around AC V2X features. So, you know, that's that demand of, I want to use electricity from my car and put it back in. Stay tuned with that. There could be some nice little treats in there. So if you want an EV charger of the future in AC, that's what you need. And again, made in our European headquarters over there.
Yep.
Okay.
Made in Austria. We know Fronius.
Yeah. So this here is a very faithful bit of equipment, been with us a long time, the Ohm Pilot, where it can redirect solar power to your hot water system. And if there's any bit of energy going to the grid, you want to grab that and put it somewhere. The original battery that was around, hot water. So as we move along and we come into our brand new Reserva battery.
Reserva battery, yep.
Quick rundown, 3.15 kilowatt hours of usable power per module. On single phase, this is a traditional single phase setup, 3 modules maximum, with an ability to have 4 sets of these on a single phase inverter. If we wanted to go to 3 phase, we can take this to 5 modules. Okay, and again, 4 stacks. So we get quite a lot of energy. And what's really important is we can deliver good power. So power and energy, it's important to know the difference. And our Gen 24 Plus, which is the compatible inverter with this, single phase, 3 kilowatts to 10 kilowatts. And 3 phase, we're going from 3 kilowatts all the way up to 12 in our superior current models. So they all will work together, charge, discharge through DC coupling.
Fronius provide the whole setup, like everything, fine with Fronius.
We call it internally the one throat to choke, okay? Now, not only that, we've released our remote config software. So as long as the machine's online, anything you as an installer can do on site, you can do from your desk. So if you needed to change a grid setting, a voltage, your customer's ringing you going, I don't know what's going on here, you're able to then get inside remotely, manage the battery, manage the inverter. And if you're wanting to back up your house, we're even gone into delivering the full backup gateway for you. So everything that's going on here, we're not asking you to say, oh, look, use a component from your electrical wholesaler, for example.
Yeah.
It's all in here.
It's all integrated in that one.
Nice, handy little LED lights, which is an analog way of saying, hey, you are in backup mode. With a lot of batteries in the market, some people are sort of calling out tech support and saying, I think I've ran out of battery power during, my backup isn't working, but it has. They've just used all their battery power because they've got, they've got this here so they can actually learn, am I off grid or not? Checking apps, nothing as faultless as that. And again, made in Europe.
That's it, made in Austria, correct? How we know Fronius?
Austria, we're very proud of that,
we've been using it for a while. It's a reliable unit,
Yep.
you know what I mean? It's good. Shane,
Great.
thank you very much
Thank you for the opportunity. Thank you.
Hi guys, we're here at All Energy again with CL from Jinko. Jinko's been one of my most sold products, and I've personally sold about 50,000 of them in the times I've been in the industry. Jinko's been around almost 25 years now, and they have a very good reputation. Now, CL, tell us, what's new about this panel?
Thank you, John. So our main focus for this year, All Energy, is our Tiger Neo 3.0. That's our promotion for the starting of next year. This panel, as you can see, is our full black version for our mainstream product. It will be launched Q1 next year. So it gets a power output up to 485. Most likely, starting from early next year, it will be around 470, 475. And also with this these new panels, we can have a very because if you look at the cells, it's different compared to what is in market. We cut the cell into we have a quarterly cut. We make it into 4 pieces. That's the secret how we increase the power being to this much.
I can see the efficiency increased to 24.27%.
Yes.
That's a big jump, big leap.
Yes.
Very happy. So what's the physical size of this one, sir?
It's a 17662 times 11332. I
The
think.
standard.
Yes,
of
very
the,
standard.
Of the 440.
Yeah, like
pretty
6
good.
months, 6 months back, it's only 440 for this size.
Excellent, man. Excellent, excellent. What's the weight on it?
21 kilo.
Standard, yeah?
Yeah, very standard.
I'm very happy with this panel. Literally, I've been installing it for years. Like, I believe it's one of the most proud and reliable out there. Thank you very much,
you,
man.
Joe.
I appreciate it. Thank you very
for
much.
the time.
Thank you.
Thank you.
JC at Energy. JC represent S5 brackets. JC, tell us a few things about your product, buddy.
Yeah, no, thank you.
Give us a tour.
Yeah, so as you know, we are here in the new edition of All Energy in Melbourne, Australia. So we're here as a S5. We are specialized in metal roofing attachment. We are a company out of Texas. So what we are presenting here is all the solutions that you can attach on the metal roofing. If it's a metal roofing, you can come to us and we have a solution for anything that you want to see. For example, in this big roof that we have displayed, we have multiple different accessories. We try to present what is the right way to install solar on the roof. So we always recommend to have fall protection system that which our clamps are especially designed for fall protection as well, as you can see in this area. Also the walkways, if you're gonna do installation modules installation on this roof, you need to have some walkways in order to protect the roof. We always try to take care of the integrity of the roof and the warranty, but also keeping the performance of the accessories that you're going to attach. So in this case, we are presenting also a railed solution. So as you know, the roof, the metal roofing has already rails built on it. You can see the ribs. These are the rails. So we can use any attachment on this roof, but we use the rail. So we save 85% on total weight when you use a rail solution. The only thing that change is the base, depending on the roof. As you can see in our showroom, we have all the most common roof profiles in Australia. We have the KL 700, the trim deck, nail strip, and the R465. So we have multiple roof profiles, but the concept is to reduce the weight and keeping the warranty of the metal roofing. We are trying to be a middleman between metal roofing manufacturers and solar installers. So please stop by here and visit us on in our booth. But we have, if you have a metal roof and you want to attach something on it, just come to S5.
JC, I've used a lot of these ones myself. We've been very happy. They're very practical. I just literally love this product.
That's great.
So we just get this one, attach the pin feed to it, it just makes everything happen. Just magic. Yeah.
Thank
you for the.
yeah, that's great. That's a good top selling, especially for
we love it, man. We've been using it for years. I really love this product.
That's great.
Thank you very much. Thank you.